Have you ever wondered what it would be like if you could clone your voice?
Imagine creating digital content, sending messages to friends, or even narrating a book with a perfect replica of your own voice without ever speaking a word. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that with elevenlabs.io, a groundbreaking platform that lets you instantly clone your voice. Let's get started. First, head over to elevenlabs.io on your browser. Here, you can see the features of elevenlabs.io. You can also see here the guide on how to instantly or professionally clone your voice. Now you'll need to sign up for an account, so click on the Sign Up button to create one. After signing up to elevenlabs.io, go to the Voice Lab tab. As you can see here, I've already cloned some voices using this platform. Now to instantly clone your voice, just click the plus icon. Here you have the option for voice design, instant voice clone, voice library, and professional voice cloning. But in this video, we'll just use the instant voice clone. Now you have to upload your sample voice. You can record your own voice using Audacity or any voice recording software and upload it here in elevenlabs.io. You can upload up to 25 samples of your voice, but make sure it only contains one speaker and be over 1 minute long and no background noise. Now, add a name for this voice. You can also add labels and description. And check this checkbox right here, then click Add Voice. And now, we have already added our voice sample. So to use it, just click this. Or you can just go to the Speech Synthesis tab and find the cloned voice. Now here in the speech synthesis page, we can just write something or paste some words. So now let's copy some words and paste it here, then click generate.
Here, you'll find a sleek interface ready to guide you through the process. You'll need to sign up for an account, so click on the Sign Up button to create one. The internet is a big place with more than 1.83 billion websites. Here, you'll find a sleek interface ready to guide you through the process.
So that's it. That's how to instantly clone your voice using elevenlabs.io. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And if you want more videos like this video and subscribe to be updated. Thanks for watching.